guys, this morning we're just having some breakfast, some fish and grits and eggs. You guys got the pot going, so can't wait to share with you guys what the ending results look like. So this is everything that I'm going to be using: garlic, onion powder, oregano, parsley, butter, spray butter, and salt and pepper, sea salt and pepper, fish, grits in the back, and my eggs already mixed up with a little bit of 2% milk and salt and pepper. Okay, you guys, this is the end result of my breakfast this morning. You guys, I've never had cheese grits, fish, and eggs together. Oh my gosh, it tasted so amazing. I am never gonna say I'm not having no grits, I'm not having no fish together, because it sounds nasty. It was so good, you guys. I love it and I enjoyed it. I had that juice, I poured some water on top because it's a little bit sweet, so I just kind of even it out with the water. But this is my plate. Oh my gosh, it tasted so amazing, you guys. So girl, I had to sit in front of y'all and show y'all how good it was when I tried it. Like literally, you guys, I'm telling you, this is my first time ever trying the cheese grits and eggs. Most of the time with my grits, I put sugar and butter because that was always my staple. But girl, that season and these grits, oh my gosh, it was amazing. Yes, I know y'all see them expressions on my face. Like I tore that plate up, honey. It was really, really good. Like so good. So you guys try it. So here we are. I have a Temu crunched up bag. You guys, this is gonna be a quick, simple, minimal haul. So I got this nice, pretty gold bowl. You can put fruit in there, you can put whatever you like in there. I just think I'm gonna use it for mixing. You guys, I got these items for free on Temu. Do you believe me? Oh my gosh. Use my link in my description below, because I want to share some of these freebies with you guys. So that right there is a peel box that you could just throw in your bag, put your protein powder in there, throw in your bag, and go. Travel with it as well. It is great for traveling. It won't use up any space in your luggage or in your purse. I just love it. I also got this refillable water bottle. I love the top of it, you guys. I was wanting to twisting it off, but you just pull it off because it has like these little suction things in there, and you just put it back on. It is really, really, really nice. It also reminds you to refill it after you're done drinking your water, so I love that as well. And then also I have one of these little things that you put on the bottom of your water container just to keep, catch the drip from the ice or whatever. This goes to one of those water jugs with the handles on it, and I haven't gotten one yet, but I'm gonna order one from Temu so you guys can see it. But they had these in different colors and they were way cheap. And then I got this, pack and go cord or your earbuds. You can put those in there. iPods, whatever you want to do, put those in there. And these are great for traveling, great for just throwing in your purse just to keep some room and space. And if you have money, I'm sure you can put that in there as well too, girl. Yes. Okay, I like this one. This is my favorite, and I may get another color in this one because I love those, just to have those on deck. And y'all already know I had to get my DIY IKEA copycat Temu dish sponges. These are my favorite. It came up beat up. It came beat up, so hey, but what can you say? It's coming from Temu. I got this brush, and for my thick natural hair, girl, yes, everything that I bought from Temu, I will be washing and sanitizing. And I got this cutting board as well, so yeah. Try to get everything done really quick today because I still have to pick up my son at 3 o'clock.